Authorities in China have glorified the rush to build 2 infectious disease hospitals in a matter of days at the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak that has now claimed at least 490 lives on the mainland, with live streams showing the construction and the arrival of the first patients at Huashenqian Field Hospital in Wuhan on Tuesday. The other hospitals now under construction elsewhere in the country to address the shortage of beds and facilities needed to treat the outbreak. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared a global health emergency over a new coronavirus that has killed at least 563 people following an outbreak in the central Chinese city of Wuhan. More than 28,000 cases have been reported worldwide, most of them in China's Hubei province. A man from Wuhan died in the Philippines on February 2 and Hong Kong reported its first death on February 4. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as SARS and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS. These viruses were originally transmitted between animals and people. SARS, for instance, was believed to have been transmitted from civet cats to humans, while MERS traveled from a type of camel to humans. Several known coronaviruses are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. The name coronavirus comes from the Latin word corona, meaning crown, or halo. Under an electron microscope, the image of the virus is reminiscent of a solar corona. A novel coronavirus, identified by Chinese authorities on January 7 and named 2019 nCoV, is a new strain that had not been previously identified in humans. Little is known about it, although human-to-human transmission has been confirmed. All you need to know about the symptoms and risks. What are the symptoms? Signs of infection include fever, cough, shortness of breath and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, it can lead to pneumonia, SARS, kidney failure, and even death. Most cases and deaths have been reported in China, the vast majority in Hubei province. So far, Hong Kong and the Philippines have reported 1 death each from the new virus outside of mainland China. The virus has spread to many countries in the Asia-Pacific region, as well as Australia, Europe, North America, and the Middle East. The majority of cases outside China are among people who recently traveled to the country. Scientists are working on a vaccine but have warned one is unlikely to be available for mass distribution before 2021. Chinese authorities have effectively sealed off Wuhan, and have placed restrictions on travel to and from several other cities, affecting some 56 million people. Many airlines have cancelled flights to China, while some countries have banned Chinese nationals from entering and have evacuated their citizens from Wuhan. Chinese health authorities are still trying to determine the origin of the virus, which they say likely came from a seafood market in Wuhan where wildlife was also traded illegally. Chinese scientists previously mentioned snakes as a possible source. The city of Wuhan on Sunday finished building its first emergency hospital dedicated to treating patients of the deadly coronavirus. It took just 10 days from start to finish. The new hospital spans 2 floors and 60,000 square meters, 645,000 square feet, and has 1,000